Hello everyone, I'm going to take a moment to do a quick review of the Fab Four's brand winch mount brush guard for a 2007 Ford Super Duty. So I had this winch for a while now. It's actually not quite big enough for this truck. This is actually a 9,500 pound winch made by SuperWinch. Now I've been very pleased with the winch. I had it on a half-ton truck before, and essentially when I sold the half-ton truck I kept the winch and I bought this Super Duty. So I was looking for a winch mount to put the winch on this Super Duty, and you know, I use the winch more for moving things than I do for self-recovery, so it actually is plenty big enough for that. If this truck with the 35-inch tires was to get seriously bogged down, it may not be quite enough winch to pull it out, or it may struggle to do so. But for what I'm using it for, it works well. The Fab Four's winch bumper or winch mount is very well constructed. It was very easy to install on the truck. It essentially goes where the tow hooks were before. It does, like I said, it's well made. It's got a place for lights to mount on the front. The quality seems really good. Fit and finish was good. It fit on the truck with no issues whatsoever. It literally took me longer to put the winch in the winch mount than it did to put it on the truck. The only thing that I don't like, and it's no fault of Fab Four's, is I had to remove my factory fog lights because the winch carrier covers that spot up. So I anticipate, and it'll be in a future video, I'm going to mount some type of DOT approved fog lights under the winch mount and wire them into the factory wiring so that I can retain my fog lights. I'm one of those people that loves to use fog lights, especially in inclement weather. But overall, I can't say enough good things about the Fab Four's winch mount. It is a good value for the money, and well made.